Hey everyone, and welcome back. Getting the most from Bitrix24's free plan is all about knowing which tools to use. Let's break down data and user management. First, data import is a huge time saver. In your CRM, look for the import button. You can upload a CSV file of contacts or companies directly from a spreadsheet, saving you hours of manual entry. For exporting, go to any list. Like your contacts or tasks, use the Export to Excel option to get a full copy of your data for reporting or backups now. For user management, the free plan allows unlimited users, but you have one administrator. As the admin, you can invite team members from the Users section to control what each person can see. And edit. Your 5 GB of free storage is shared. Keep an eye on it in the disk space settings. You can free up space by clearing old files from the My Drive section. Use the role settings to assign permissions, making some users managers for their department without giving them full admin rights. And that's it. By mastering these import, export, and user settings, you can run your entire team efficiently on the free plan. If this helps you organize your workspace, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.